Hi, I'm the Soulless Ginger. Today we are doing a hair tutorial. As you see, I already have my base head. I'm blocking in where the hair starts at. And now I'm starting to draw hair. Basically, I just decide a hairstyle that I like, go with it, and start adding in lines and line work. So I guess we'll watch me draw the hair for a little bit. Remember, you want to kind of make it flow. Hair's not really just stiff. You can add some loose strands, make it long, make it short. And now we go into erase. We're going to erase. We erased all the lines as much as possible, but still have them visible so we can go ahead and ink it. In this, I am using a Tombow brush pen. I usually tend to add darker ink at the ends and at the where the roots are, or the part. It's nice using the brush pen because it does give you different strengths of lines, strong ones versus thinner ones. Oh, you see where I messed up right there. So I just turned that into some more hair. Here we go. Getting finished up with the ink part. Add a little background. Not a great one, but this whole picture is pretty. It's just a frontal view. Here we go, going in with colored pencils. I like to do like an underlay of blues, yellows, and reds. Sometimes some purple in there before I actually do the full skin. So that's what we're currently watching. There I am going in with the yellow. Add those highlights. A little pink in all the areas they're usually pink. Like that nose. Here I am adding in some shadows. Now we've gone over to some peachy stuff. Oh, I'm going over the color pencil with a blending marker that usually is alcohol based because it kind of gets rid of some of the wax and smooths it out a little bit. So now I'm about to start the hair very soon. I didn't like how peachy your face was, so I went over with another shade. Blended some more. My blenders are drying out, so When we go start on the hair, I'm using 3 different colors. Your shadow goes in all, or the darkest color goes in all those little root areas, background, behind the neck. Next, I choose the mid shade. Once again, running over the color that's already laid in, kind of blend it a bit more. Oh, I forgot to do eyes, I guess. And one more color, add in some other for that background. The lightest shade you can color in all the way on hair, or you can leave some white space. It'll give it a bit brighter highlight. And that is almost it. And add in white pen to add on those highlights on skin and getting some color on those lips.